Royal International Private Limited, optimizing excellence for the past 14 years, is a leading manpower recruitment agency.
Hello, Ravaite, Namaste from the land of Himalayas, Nepal. My name is Sandesh Saryal. I'm the owner of Raul International, and I've been recruiting workers to Bulgaria as well as Serbia and Romania since the past 7 years. So I bring this experience to you, to the employers of Bulgaria who are looking for genuine workers to make their businesses grow. And in this quest, I have my partner, Mr. Slavi Slavo from Human Power Limited in Sofia. Together, we can help you provide workers across all the sectors, in construction, in warehouse, in transportation, in logistics, in hospitality, and many others. So if you're looking for workers that are good and that are smart and that are hardworking, we have the solution for you. So I'm coming to Bulgaria this May to meet with you all and to answer your queries and to help you. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye. Ciao.
Royal International Private Limited makes all efforts to keep in touch with workers sent abroad for employment until they return home, or in most cases transferred to other countries as well. It also ensures the workers will be adequately immunized, and in case of serious injuries or death, the workers or their families are compensated through insurance companies. From building maintenance and construction to security guards, oil and gas, engineering, agricultural and farming groups, office personnel management, supermarkets, manufacturing, vehicle/heavy equipment operators, hotel and catering staff, as well as various other sectors. We offer a diverse array of categories to fulfill every need. Royal International Private Limited and Human Power Limited in Sofia join forces to provide top-tier manpower recruitment services. Under the leadership of Managing Director Sandesh Saryal at Royal International and Director Slavi Slavov at Human Power, our combined expertise ensures unparalleled recruitment solutions. Together, we connect talented individuals with promising opportunities, driving success for both businesses and candidates alike.
Представлявам компания Human Power. Ние работим в три сектора – производство, логистика, администрация и IT. Нашата работа е да анализираме и решаваме проблемите на нашите клиенти в сферата на човешките ресурси. От 2019, заради липсата на кадри, започнахме да назначаваме работници от чужбина, предимно за заводи и логистични компании. С нашия опит във времето, ние разбрахме, че най-подходящи за българския пазар са работниците от Непал. Главната причина е възнаграждението и силната мотивация за работа, за да помагат на техните семейства, които живеят и се трудят в Непал. Но също така отдалечеността също играе доста голяма роля, защото колкото е по-далече един човек от неговата родина, толкова повече той се раздава и по-малко мисли за връщането си. В момента съм с някои от нашите приятели, които са в нашия апартамент, който отдаваме под наем на наши клиенти, и искам да ви запозная. Кажете здравейте!
Здравейте!
Това е Raul. I'll speak now in English because they have to understand. Raul, Bis, Melisha, Resma, Alisha, Rajesh, Bo, Buan and Burenda. And also this is Dharma, our very smile person. I'll ask Ru about his experience and opinion about Bulgarian market. Okay, Ru, can you say something about you?
Yes, my name is Mahesh Raul and I have been working in Sofia since 2023. Behind me are my friends from Nepal. We live and work together. I like my work and I enjoy working with my Bulgarian colleagues. I earn a good salary and I also receive my monthly food vouchers. My accommodation is very nice and as well the modern. I am also starting to learn Bulgarian language.
Okay, thank you. Could you tell me also something? Do you understand something in Bulgarian because you say that you start learning Bulgarian words?
Yes, добър ден. Каски, добре.
Добре съм. Ти как си?
Добре, добре ски.
Very good.
Yes,
Благодаря ти, Ру.
yes, благодаря.
Hello girls, how are you?
Hello, it's fine. We are from Bulgarian, Sofia city. We have been working in a Fortilido. Our company is Fortilido. It is ice cream factory. country. So it is good right here, right now. We are enjoying a lot.
You're eating ice cream?
Yeah,
How is your name?
Risha,
And your name?
Rishmasan, Elisa Zadai.
Do you know something in Bulgarian language?
Yeah,
Did you learn some words?
Yeah, Добър ден, благодаря, Браво.
Very good. Thank you so
Ciao.
much. Thank you so much for your time. Чакай, от работници, ще се радвам много да ви съдействаме. Както назначаваме българи, така и назначаваме хора от чужбина. Се радваме да видим кое решение в конкретния случай е най-подходящо за вас. Хубав ден желая!
Consider RAL International Private Limited for its comprehensive services, including academic and professional links abroad, along with liaison offices in Nepal, Malaysia, Romania, and Ireland, all overseen by foreign graduates, providing unparalleled support for your global aspirations. Our satisfied clients have experienced the difference our partnership makes in their recruitment needs. Now, let's hear directly from individuals whose lives have been positively impacted by our service.
Здравейте, казвам се Слави Славов от Human Power, а вие сте?
Борис Пенчев, управител на хижа Кумата.
Здравейте, Борис. Откъде научихте за Human Power?
От препоръки близки мои приятели ви препоръчаха.
Как ви помогнаха Human Power?
Чрез каране на хора от чужбина да работят
Във вашата
за нашата
кухня?
компания, за кухнята, да.
How you feel here in Vituša?
It's good. It's good environment, good people.
Where are you from, David?
Nepal, from Nepal.
To learn more about how we can support your recruitment goals, feel free to reach out to us at the following contact details.